Level 4, Module 2, Square Breathing Technique. Breath regulation plays a crucial role in how we manage our emotional and mental states. By consciously controlling our breathing, we can influence feelings of stress, anxiety, and even improve focus. This connection between breath and mind is supported by both scientific research and centuries-old practices. Understanding and harnessing this power sets the foundation for learning techniques like square breathing, which offer practical tools for everyday well-being. In this video, we will focus on 3 key objectives. First, you will learn the fundamentals of square breathing, a simple yet effective technique for managing stress and enhancing mindfulness. Next, we will guide you through the practice step by step, ensuring you feel confident in applying it yourself. Finally, we will explore how square breathing can be used with clients, highlighting its benefits and practical applications in therapeutic settings. Square breathing is a simple yet effective technique for calming the mind and body. To practice, begin by inhaling slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Next, hold your breath for another 4 counts. Then, exhale gently for 4 counts, and finally, hold your breath again for 4 counts before repeating the cycle. Completing 3 to 5 rounds of this method can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Square breathing works by engaging the body's natural relaxation response. As you slowly inhale, hold, exhale, and pause, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps calm the mind and body. This deliberate pattern of breathing slows your heart rate and reduces the stress hormones circulating in your system. As a result, you may notice improved focus and a greater sense of control over your emotions. By practicing square breathing, you can effectively manage stress and enhance your overall well-being. Let's begin the square breathing exercise. As you watch the animated square, follow along with each side as we breathe together. Inhale slowly for a count of 4, letting your lungs fill with air. Hold your breath for another 4 counts, feeling a sense of calm. Exhale gently for 4 counts, releasing any tension, and then pause for 4 counts before starting the cycle again. Continue this pattern, allowing the rhythm of your breath to guide you toward relaxation. Square breathing is a versatile technique that can be applied in various real-life situations to help manage stress and maintain composure. For instance, before entering a challenging conversation or an important meeting, practicing square breathing can help calm nerves and enhance focus. It is also useful during moments of anger, providing a pause to regain control and respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Additionally, when feelings of anxiety arise, this method offers a simple way to ground oneself and reduce tension. By integrating square breathing into these moments, individuals can navigate high-pressure situations with greater clarity and confidence. It's important to be aware of your own physical limits when practicing these exercises. If you experience symptoms such as dizziness, shortness of breath, or have a condition like asthma, pause immediately and consult a healthcare professional if necessary. You may need to adjust the number of repetitions or the pace to suit your comfort and safety. Remember, listening to your body and making modifications is key to a safe and effective routine. Always prioritize your well-being during any physical activity. In summary, we've explored the essential benefits of breath regulation, including its positive impact on stress reduction, focus, and overall well-being. By understanding and practicing mindful breathing, you lay a strong foundation for managing daily challenges more effectively. As we look ahead, we'll delve into the concept of reframing, an approach that helps shift perspectives and unlock new ways of thinking. Combining breath regulation with reframing techniques can further enhance your ability to adapt and thrive in various situations. Together, these tools empower you to approach future learning with resilience and clarity.